can't get it to hover above a 2 ROAS
Okay,
at the moment. Um, this is my
over
number one
lifetime.
product.
Okay.
This guy right here, the Ice Wedge mold. Yada yada. So I've just been making bad decisions pretty much in here.
You
I
need a
was
different
wondering,
Shopify template for one.
you think narrative's
Yeah.
not the way to go?
No, I don't. No. Yeah, no. You need to do a different one.
Okay. I have a Brooklyn one in the works, so maybe I'll switch over to that.
Yeah. What are your conversion rates with that one?
Not ideal.
Okay. Oh, yeah,
2%.
no way. Yeah, absolutely not. Yeah, you got to do a different template
Okay.
because your AOV is fine. You're getting sales. We know the product sells. It's 100% without a doubt your conversion rate. I mean, I can see it right now.
Okay.
Your customer conversion, like returning rate, should be higher. This is the holidays. This thing should be selling. You should literally be empty. I mean, you should literally be just having a shot of whiskey every day from excitement.
I know. I really should.
Yeah. So like it's 100% a template. I mean, this thing, you know, uh, it just
So you think
needs
just the
to look
product
better.
page is
Yeah, I know it's
just
that.
not right?
Yeah, I know it is.
Okay.
Yep.
As far as
But
ads go,
let's take a look at your ads too, because there could be some there as well.
so I just keep having to turn the big ones off because they're losing me money. Um, so right here we have the biggest CBO. Let's sort by amount spent. Jack Daniels, number one interest for sure. Interests have been killing the LLAs. So we'll look in the ads. Yeah, like, do you think I should turn these back on with a different template and just see what happens?
Yeah. No, we'll not turn them back on. That one that you already have on is fine. Another thing is your ad images need to be different.
These are all videos.
Okay. Well, you need to be doing single images. That's another thing. You need to do
Okay.
carousel specifically.
I do have a carousel, I call it, which is this guy. Just didn't do that great. Let's look at the ads in here. Yes, just actually have all the creatives up here.
Here we go.
Fries.
I got it. I want to share my screen, if you don't mind.
Yeah.
Here we go. Right here. This is what your landing page needs to look like. Product on the left, add the card on the right, and then on mobile, it's just going to be like this. Literally on mobile, you see the add to cart button. You have to.
Is that not the case right now?
I don't know. Whenever you load it on your phone, do you see it as soon as it loads without scrolling?
Yeah, I believe so. I believe you can.
Okay.
The PayPal thing pops right up. Let me just make sure.
Because you have a really good product. You have really great content.
I like to think so. Mobile. Yeah,
It's
you're
really
right.
close. Yeah, it's really close on mobile. I'm seeing it on my end. It's really close.
Okay.
But you don't show a model pic first ever. It always is just a picture of the actual glass. And then the second thing is this is going to be your carousel. I'm going to use them as an example, and then I'm just going to assume that you have the content.
Yeah.
So like this right here, can you see my screen? This right here, white background, gray background, doesn't matter what background, it just needs to be a full, preferably a light color with the product front and center.
Gotcha.
Because they know what they're buying. For all we know, that photo you have there on your mobile, that ring I see, that watch, the tie, am I buying the tie? Am I buying the ring? Am I buying the watch? Am I buying the ice cube? I don't know.
Gotcha.
Maybe this guy is, selling beard trimmers. We just don't know at this point. But this photo here, if we're looking at the actual, this website right now, it's the first thing you see, and that's the first thing you want to do on your carousel.
Gotcha. So
And
let's go
that,
down my gallery, and then maybe we can just find the best image. Could
perfect.
you like
Let
this
me
right
share again.
here? Say that again.
You can
Okay,
share again on
sorry.
your.
So of these, obviously I can just remove the background and put a white one in there.
Yeah, if you can do what I was showing you, that image, yes. It's
Okay.
so simple, it's not even funny. You just gotta keep it super, super simple.
Okay.
And it will sell so much that you won't know what to do because you're selling so much.
Yeah, I know that this has a ton of potential. I just couldn't spot the weakness.
It does. I get this every year for a gift. It's unreal. I get the same gift every single year.
Yeah, I mean, I have 2 of them in my freezer. They're the best.
Yeah, I have a pile of them in my freezer. So without a doubt, like we know this is a big gifting item this year. So you should be doing huge numbers right now.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, so let's not wait. Let's put those white images together. Let's put them in the carousel. Let's make the changes on your landing page ASAP because, you know, Black Friday's coming up and the holidays are really close.
All right, so which I'll show you the carousel I currently have running for that product. Wedge carousel.
Don't use any lifestyle images, please.
Okay. So
Yeah.
not that.
Nope. It's all lifestyle. It's all lifestyle.
Okay. So it's just strictly white background.
Yeah. You'll be surprised. You'll be totally amazed at how well it converts. I can assure you. Yeah, you'll really
And so
love that.
once I make those adjustments, which campaign would you recommend? So I have, obviously that's one product,
Go
but
through the
I
course.
carry.
Go through the course. Restructure it all with the course material. Now that you're in the like the actual, you've purchased the training. So just go through those first few modules. It'll show you how to set up the campaign structure, which audiences, ways to do your creatives,
Can
and
you
then you'll
recommend
really.
just that product, or because I've got
Is that your best
over
seller?
here. It's the one I've ran the most ads to, so yeah.
Okay. Well, start with that one. Then if your second one has a high average order value, then yeah, do that too.
Okay.
Whichever one makes you the most profit is what I would start with, as long as it's the best seller, of course.
Okay.
Because the first rule is we've got to get cash flows rolling so you can ensure you're scaling.
Exactly.
Yeah, so do those things and it'll really be a game changer. Then make sure your description copy, like your main copy, doesn't have uppercase letters at the beginning of every word. Just do it at the, first letter will be uppercase, then it's just treat it like a normal sentence.
Okay.
Yeah,
Do you
really
recommend
good
doing
stuff
that
here.
on
You have the
Facebook
right
headlines?
text. No, the headlines, Facebook headlines is fine to have uppercase on certain text. Yeah, you're really close here. The fact that you're making this work is phenomenal. That tells me that like you're so under converting, but you're still achieving good ROAS for what this is. So like, just imagine if you had all those things in place, it's going to be like, you won't even understand what had happened. It would just be so much results.
Yeah, I mean, I'm pumped.
Cool.
So
Yeah,
Brooklyn theme, no lifestyle images.
Nope.
All right.
On your site, it's fine, but like, the first image on the site just needs to be the main,
Yeah, that's
white
the
background.
bearing image being.
Yeah, everything
than
else, it's okay with you communicating story and stuff. That's totally fine. I'm not saying, make everything super blank on your site. I'm just saying that one product image you first see, and then same thing on your ad.
Okay, yeah. All right, so I'll make those adjustments and I'll talk to you Monday.
Sweet. I'm super excited. I'm looking forward to it. Thanks, Brian.
Me too, man. Thanks.